In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of tasks in the Google Calendar app. Many of us use Google Calendar to stay organized, track tasks, and manage our time efficiently. While you can't directly change the color of individual tasks within the app, there's a nifty workaround. You can alter the color of the calendar itself, which in turn updates the aesthetic of all events and tasks associated with that calendar. Let me show you how to do just that. First, you'll want to open your Google Calendar. If you're using a desktop, head over to your browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. If you're on a mobile device, simply open the Google Calendar app. Once you've got your calendar open, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a section called My Calendars. This is where all your calendars are listed and each one can be styled individually. Next, locate the specific calendar whose tasks and events you'd like to appear in a different color. Hover your mouse over the calendar name you're focusing on. When you do this, a small icon with 3 vertical dots, known as the options icon, will appear right next to the calendar name. Clicking on this will open up a palette with default color options. Now comes the fun part, choosing a color. A wide range of colors will be available for you to select from, giving you the flexibility to customize your calendar to better suit your preferences or improve its visual appeal. Simply click on one of the colors to instantly update the calendar. This change will affect all tasks and events under this particular calendar, giving them a cohesive look. Additionally, if you want something a bit more personalized, Google Calendar offers the option to create custom colors. To do this, click on the Add button within the color palette. Here you can explore various shades and tones to find something that truly aligns with how you want your calendar to look. Once you've found that perfect color, just select it, and all events and tasks in this calendar will be updated to your chosen custom color. And there you have it. While individual task colors can't be changed, adjusting the overall calendar color provides a visually consistent and appealing way to organize your dates. Whether you're color coding different types of calendars for work, personal commitments, or hobbies, this method ensures that your Google Calendar is both functional and visually satisfying. With these changes applied, managing your tasks and events should not only be more efficient, but also bring a bit of joy to your planning process. Thanks for watching, and happy planning with Google Calendar.